Hi, my name is Lana, and that is my project for human interface design. My idea for the HID project was to create an air filter for interior design purposes. Users would be able to select different furniture options within the snapshot filter, place them virtually in their room, and customize colors or styles. I started by exploring Lens Studio and Blender by watching tutorials online. The first step was to create a 3D model in Blender. I created a sofa, but when I exported it to the Lens Studio, it wasn't appearing properly, and some of the curved parts where I used bevel modifier tool in the Blender weren't shown. I couldn't fix it, that's why I decided to use simpler objects for the project. So I created a simple model of a chair. The texture that you see here was added in Blender. I added device tracking in order to be able to place the object on the surface. To do that, the users would need just to simply type on the screen. I did add the hint of the fact that users would need to tap first to make object appear. Then, working with textures, I created 4 simple PBR textures to be able to change it in the Lens Studio itself. Then I started working on texture. I needed it to change by the tab, so my first idea was to create a 4-window view, like you can see on the video. But apparently the approach I was using was only suitable for 2D objects. So after that, I decided to work with Material Editor, but I didn't achieve any progress with that. I was able to change color and some kind of texture, like metallic for example, by working with properties of the object and twin and behavior scripts. But it didn't change the texture that I needed. So then, after a few hours of trying out different scripts, I found the solution. I applied a few behavior scripts at once, and I was able to achieve the functionality I wanted by using the images of the texture instead of PBR objects. I also added a small description on how to use the filter on top of the object for my final version. So that is my final version of the filter. You can easily change the texture, rotate the object, scale it, move the object around, and also here you can see the hints about the usability of the filter. So that's it. Thank you for your attention.